your girl Shelly Mae, and I am back with another video. This time it's an Amazon purchase, alright? And my hands were low-key kind of tied on buying this. Like, kind of had to after what had happened. So, as you read, I bought an Echo Dot, or as a lot of people like to call them, Alexas. And I know they have other products that they have for Alexa, but my mama calls it an Alexa, so that's what we're gonna call it. But I got an Echo Dot. So the reason for this purchase is during the Christmas holiday, my family and I upgraded my father's TV, and what came along with that purchase was a free Echo Dot and a light bulb that, you know, changes colors and corresponds with the Echo Dot. Now, when we actually went to purchase the TV, it was just my mother and I, and she heard Echo Dot Alexa. She was like, "Ooh, and Alexa, I get an Alexa." And I was like, "Hold on, you wanted to get the TV from Walmart. We went to Best Buy was my idea. Hold on." But I love my mother, so, you know, I let her have exactly what she wanted, and she wanted the Echo Dot. And then they were like, "Oh, you get the light bulb too?" And I said, "I'll take the light bulb. That's fine." So fast forward, I get home, I tried to use the light bulb and get it to change colors. I'm trying to go through the setup, and I needed my own Alexa. So I was like, okay, well, that makes sense why they gave us the light bulb with the Alexa, because the light bulb works with the Alexa. So I went ahead and I ordered one. As you can see, I've not opened it yet. I just got it like yesterday, so it's no big deal. Let's get this bad boy open and see what we think so far of this. Now, as far as the light bulb goes, this is the light bulb that came with it. Well, this is the box. The light bulb is actually in that lamp over there on the far side. Like, so it works. It's a Bluetooth light bulb. So it works as just a regular light bulb, but you can make it change colors. And I'm gonna ask for a little bit of help here. My best friend is in my house. So, best friend, can you do me a favor real quick?
What it do, baby?
Can you go turn off that light back there and then turn it back on so they can see the color change?
As long as they don't see it. Not this one?
Not that one.
Okay.
Look at this. We got a special guest. He hasn't beat his face yet.
No.
And he's waiting on that so I can film these real quick. Okay, hold on. Stay back there. He's covering his face. But I'll insert the picture. Okay. Scoot over. Go to the other side. And turn it back on so they can see it turn on. But don't block it with your body. There we go. Okay. See, that's how we do. So you can tell that, you know, it does change colors when you turn it on. Here he come back trying to hide his face. There you go. This is my Vanna White right here. And if you don't get that reference, baby, you a little too young, but that's okay because you got Google. Go ahead and Google that. Okay. That's Wheel of Fortune, right? Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. I had to think about it because they do the wheel and then they have the words too. And she's the one who goes and taps the words. So that's the light bulb that I got here. If you can, there we go. And then here is the Echo Dot in the box. We're just going to do a quick little unboxing. Let me take a, right there. That's going to be the thumbnail, baby. We're going to screenshot that. Let me move this. Throw that back there. And so this is right here. You got to open it. This is how they tell if you opened it or not. I should have kept them scissors. Oh, no. These nails is working. Okay, so this is how it comes in the box. I know these are really common and a lot of people have them, but I'm late to the party, and if you're late to the party with me, we got our own party, okay? This is a cute little thing. It's just so aesthetically pleasing. Like, just hide this anywhere. I'm probably gonna put it on the mantle. That's not a mantle. I don't know. I call it my mantle, so that's what it's gonna be. You get instructions. And of course, I already have downloaded the Alexa app on my phone, so I was trying to hook that light bulb up. So you do have to get the app for that. And then it comes with the box charger, or the charger. It's all connected. This is old school charger right here because you don't, or I mean, plug-in because it has to always be plugged in. But you know, for phones, they used to come like this. When you got your phone, you couldn't take it and unplug it and use it for different things. But this is what you get in the box. You get your Echo Dot in this. And let me know in the comments if you want like a review video on how I like it and how it works. This is the 3rd generation. It was on sale, so when they were giving them away for free with purchase of a flat screen TV, they were $19.99 on sale for the holidays. I got mine for $24.99. So it still was price reduced because I bet you they're rolling out a whole new line of Echo Dots and upgraded versions or whatever. So, you know, I just went ahead and got it while it was inexpensive. Because I was gonna get one anyways. I just got one for this light bulb. But it's here and it's there. So anyways, that is my unboxing of my new Echo Dot. Let me know if you have one, if you like it, if it's very responsive, because now I'm gonna be calling Alexa and Siri, asking everybody questions in this house, okay? That's on that, okay, period. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching my small little unboxing of my new Echo Dot. I told you I was gonna call it Alexa. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Do remember to subscribe if you aren't a subscriber yet. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed on my journey to that 1K. All right, like I said, I think in my last video, I'm at around in the mid 160s. So we baby stepping it up to that goal that we have there. And I can't do this without you. I wouldn't be able to do this without you. I am so grateful for all of y'all, because like, just imagine if you're, you know, doing whatever you do, like whatever you're best at, and 160 something people show up to watch you do it, you're gonna be like, ooh, that many people came to see me. So that is how I feel every time I see my subscriber count go up. I'm just like, oh, thank you guys so much. But yes, thank you guys so much for subscribing. And if you haven't, like I said, probably like 50 times now, do please hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I do post. Remember to like and comment. If you do leave a comment, I do try to get back to your comments within 24 to 48 hours of me seeing them. And I get email notifications on those, so I stay on top of those things, okay? And even if it's just as small as me liking your comment, because sometimes I don't know what to say to what you guys have to say, but that's showing you guys that I saw it and I do appreciate it. And of course, you gotta follow me on IG, because that's how, you know, we do things nowadays. My personal page is Chelly92, and my fitness page for you fit girlies and anyone who's looking to get more into fitness and things for you know, basic and beginners. I also do advanced stuff as well, but everything can be modified. And I am a certified personal trainer, so if you have questions, please do ask. My fitness page is FitXShelly. So, you know, until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.